Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can colorize folders on your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So we are going to download a free application in our browser in order to colorize the folders in our Windows. So bring up your favorite browser. It could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome browser, or Firefox. Now I'm going to bring up my Microsoft Edge browser. In here in the search bar, just simply type folder marker download. It's folder marker download and then hit enter. Now you will find the first option from foldermarker.com. Download folder marker and change folder color. Now you have to click on this. So here in this window, you'll find this download folder marker. You have three editions right here. We have the folder marker pro, folder marker home, folder marker free. Now, if you are not in this page right here, you have to click on this download button at the top and you will arrive in this three editions of the folder marker. Now, in these three editions, we are going to download the free one, which is the folder marker free. And you have to click on this download button. And the installer file will be downloaded right here. Now, once this is done, just simply double click and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, welcome to the folder marker free setup wizard. So click on next. Now here you have to click on I accept the agreement, which is the license agreement right here. And once you click on I accept, simply click on next. Now you'll find the next button. You have to click on that. If you want to choose the destination path for the application, you can simply click on browse right here, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to click next and I'm going to click next. I'm also going to create a desktop icon. So if you're not going to create a desktop icon, just simply uncheck this box and click on next. Then click on install. Now once installed, click on finish. And you already have the folder marker, which is the free edition into your Windows. Now let's see how we can colorize our folders right here. So simply click on this button right here for the folder. Click on this. Then you have to choose the folder that you want to color. So I'm going to colorize the folders in my desktop. So as you can see, I have different folders on my desktop and I want to colorize these four folders. So I'm going to click on the desktop, which is the destination path. You can also choose for the downloads. If you have folders on your downloads, you can do that. For the documents, you can also do that. I'm going to choose the first folder. I'll click on select folder. Now I'm going to choose the color that I like. I'm going to go with green and I'm just going to click on apply. And as you can see, the default folder in my Windows is now in green color. Now next folder, just click on this symbol. Then click on desktop and I'm going to change the color for the document folders. Click on select folder. And I'm going to choose the color red. And I'm going to click on apply. So now the document folders or the docs named folder is now in red color. And I'm going to change another folder, the old Firefox data. I'm going to change it to pink. I'll click on apply. And now the old Firefox data folder is now in pink color. And another folder, I'm going also to change this. Going to change this to Azure. Click on apply. And now that would be in Azure color. Now, if you want to revert the process, if you want your folder to go back to to each original color, then you can also do that. Just simply choose the folder. Let's say, for example, for the old Firefox data, I'm going to change it into the original color. Click on select folder. Click on the action tab on the top. You have action folder, language, and help. Click on the action and click on restore default icon for the chosen folder. Click on apply. And now the old Firefox data, let's try it again. The old Firefox data is now on its original color. So you can simply colorize your folders using this folder marker free, which is in the version 4.8. This is a free edition. So there is no worry for you on how you can download it because this is free and this is also safe for your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.